Ngayong adlaw mga idol, no? So karon shoutout portion ta kay nagpa-shoutout tapos medyo dugay-dugay na nga wala na to mga shoutout si Idol John Lloyd Malasarte, no? Dol, amping pirmi o salamat kayo sa mga suporta na imong ginahatag sa akong page ug sa tanan mga local vloggers diri sa Jensan. O shoutout, no, sa tanan akong followers diya gasuporta ako. Thank you jud sa inyo. O shoutout ninyo sa BRC Zamboanga City Chapter. Dol, gracias kit, no, kay bisita to ni Jutay page. Kita Kids Study Zone na Zamboanga City. So mira niya ng talya doon, no, na baka pwede bolbe. So shoutout kayo na di ko mga member na BRC Bulls Riders Club Zamboanga City Chapter, pati din sa General Santos City nga gipa-shoutout niya nga yung mga line chapter. Murag na jud na BRC nga club din sa General Santos City. So maulan to, no, o ride safe pirmi aliadol na Zamboanga, hopefully, no, successful kel Justedes event ara. So maulan to, no, o shoutout jud sa inyong tanan.
We had the right love at the wrong time. I guess I'll always know inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining in distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, a road's all gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. It doesn't matter if you go, I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. And somewhere down the road, a road's all gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go is just another way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. 'Cause somewhere down the road, a road's all gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, somewhere